Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Steve. For those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in the wig review. Today's wig review is sponsored by the company Dossier. Thank you, Dossier, for sending me over these perfumes to review for my audience. And these come just in time for a graduation gift. Dossier is one of the leading companies in the luxury scents. They develop their own alternatives to some of the most famous scents without having to shell out that extra money. So if you guys are interested in checking out Dossier, please go ahead and do so. I will leave a link down in the description. Dossier is 100% risk-free. They are currently running a special 3 for $30 as well as 20% off. They're a fair alternative to luxury perfume. They discover all the favorite scents at a fraction of the cost. So come discover all the favorite scents at a fraction of the cost. So now that we have explained who Dossier is, let's see some of the scents they sent over. I have fruity almond and citrus green apple. So citrus green apple is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana light blue for women. I've heard so much about this perfume. Oh, it smells so good. It smells fresh. Some of the top notes include green apple and lime. Some of the middle notes include bluebell, jasmine, and rose. So as Dossier stated, they're on a mission to deliver the highest quality luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Don't forget to go ahead and give Dossier a try, especially with graduation around the corner. So that was scent number 1. Scent number 2 is fruity almond, and this scent is inspired by Caroline Herrera, Good Girl. Some of the top notes in this one is almond and peach. Some of the middle notes are orange blossom. Oh, this one just smells so feminine. I love this scent. My mom has the original perfume to this, and it does smell exactly like it. Ooh, this would be a great graduation gift.
Dossier has a new payment method that lets you earn store credit. Select Catch at the last step of checkout and you will earn $10 sign-on bonus and get rewards with up to 10% store credit for every order that you place.
So now that we've got the sponsors out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into this wig review. So without further ado, go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 2 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
This is
So now you have watched me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. The wig that I am wearing right now, the wig that I'm wearing in the review is Outre EveryWear. I have the wig in the style Every 17. It is 20 inches. It has 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. It does come with natural baby. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. The color that I have is DRFF2 Vanilla Chocolate. And this is what the wig came like. It didn't have curls. It had, well, maybe it had beach curls. This is what mine looks like. So yeah, I curled mine. It looked better curled than how it is on the stock card. Again, it is 22 inches. It did have some tangles, just not a whole lot. I did try to spray my nifty oil-free wig shine on it to get rid of some of the tangles. So that helped a bit. It does have some flyaways. It is beginner friendly, definitely beginner friendly. It is beginner friendly. If you love this kind of curl, you could go ahead and just plop it on your head and you're ready to go out the door. I do love the different shades of colors. I think it has about 4 or 5 colors in there, which I really do appreciate. And the color again that I have in this unit is DRFF2 Vanilla Chocolate. What about rating this unit? I'll probably give this unit 8.5 because the shedding is not the shedding. The flyaways are a bit much, but I didn't go ahead and add any hairspray because I'm about to just take this off and do the next review. But yeah, so it is, you know, if it didn't have flyaways, I'd probably give it a 10 because even if it's longer than what I typically wear or love or enjoy, it's not bad. Like it's layered, so it's not that bad. But because of the flyaways, it's getting a little bit annoying, so I'll go ahead and give this unit 8.5. I'd say, where would I wear the unit to? I'll say a girls' night out, or like a date or first impressions, because this is a great first impression unit, I would say. It gets the conversation going past your name and stuff like that. At least that's what I think. When I first saw it, I just felt like it was a great impression unit. My husband even was like, yeah, honey, I really love this unit on you. So yeah, so if you got into the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye.